Folks, this is Eric, Kelly's Concept. Today we're going to be replacing this hood emblem with one of these. This is a 2014 E350 station wagon. Nothing wrong with this. I just don't like this look. It just too much reminds me of an 80s Mercedes. Either way, we're just going to switch it out and give it a little more modern appearance. First what I'm going to do is go ahead and pop your hood, of course. And then lift it up. Once you have your hood open, you'll notice this right here. This is pretty much the bottom side of your hood ornament. Get yourself some channel locks. Lock it on there counterclockwise. Sorry, one-handed here. And then it just comes right out. This one's pretty simple. It's just, you know, spring held in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. There you have it.